Hello, my name is Sean Herrick with McCrometer Technical Support, and today I'd like to talk about some of the field services that we offer here at McCrometer. For presale services, we can come to your site and help you evaluate for planned or currently installed meter installations. We can ensure that they will meet factory specifications and help you review your project goals and make recommendations so that you get the most out of the flow meter and data provided. In addition, we can assist with the ordering process of the FPI and SPI flow meters. We can come and take in situ measurements, assisting you with correctly sizing and ordering the flow meters. In addition, McCrometer provides post-sale startup services. Those startup services include on-site configuration for the flow meters to help assist with getting SCADA and data to where it needs to go, on-site troubleshooting during the installation process in case any problems arise, installation assistance, as well as on-site training for any personnel that may be interacting with the flow meter. These services are generally for customers who are new to flow measurement, looking for on-site factory representation to ensure that installations are done correct, or general peace of mind to make sure that your project gets done right. For any additional questions about these services or other McCrometer products, visit McCrometer.com or contact your factory representative.